Reach millions with TikTok ads. Want to reach a massive, engaged audience through fun, short-form video content? TikTok ads can help you promote your brand, product, or service to millions. Let's guide you through how to get started. What are TikTok ads? TikTok ads are paid promotional videos that seamlessly blend into users' feeds. They're a powerful way to target the right audience. Here are some exciting formats you can choose from. In-feed ads, these appear between videos in the For You feed. Top view ads, enjoy full-screen ads when users open the app. Branded hashtag challenges, encourage users to create buzz around your campaign. Branded effects, use custom filters and effects to boost engagement. How to set up TikTok ads. Let's break it down step by step. Go to TikTok Ads Manager, head over to ads.tiktok.com and create your account. Create a campaign, choose your goal, be it traffic, conversions, app installs, or just to raise brand awareness. Set your budget, decide on a daily or total budget to match your goals. Define your audience, target users by location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Design your ad, upload a short, engaging vertical video that showcases your messaging. Launch and track, keep an eye on your campaign's performance in TikTok Ads Manager and adjust as needed. Why use TikTok ads? Here's why you should consider TikTok ads. Huge reach, dive into a community of over 1 billion users and counting. High engagement, creative and entertaining content that resonates with users. Precise targeting, ensure your message reaches the right audience. Creative tools, enjoy built-in editing and music features that help your ads stand out. TikTok ads are perfect for brands eager to get noticed quickly and creatively. If your audience is on TikTok, your brand should be too. Start creating your TikTok ads today and watch your brand soar.